Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more crypto wallet comparisons and insights. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using these wallets. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into the Guarda wallet versus the Luno wallet to help you decide which crypto wallet best suits your needs. The Guarda wallet is a versatile, non-custodial, multi-platform wallet supporting a vast array of cryptocurrencies across more than 50 blockchains. Accessible via mobile app, desktop application, web interface, and even a browser extension, Guarda offers seamless cross-device functionality. Its standout features include staking options for supported assets, a built-in crypto exchange, and hardware wallet compatibility for enhanced security. Because Guarda is non-custodial, your private keys remain under your control, ensuring complete ownership of your digital assets. A clean, intuitive interface makes it beginner-friendly, while its advanced features and extensive asset support cater to experienced users managing diverse crypto portfolios. Whether you're holding, staking, or actively trading, Guarda Wallet presents a comprehensive solution. Luno Wallet, conversely, is a custodial wallet prioritizing simplicity and ease of access. It focuses on a curated selection of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, making it a suitable entry point for beginners and casual investors. Luno seamlessly integrates with its own exchange platform, creating an all-in-one ecosystem for buying, selling, and holding crypto. Furthermore, it offers robust educational resources, which is a significant advantage for newcomers navigating the crypto landscape. However, Luno's custodial nature means your funds are secured by the platform, which may not be ideal for users who prioritize absolute control over their assets. In short, Guarda Wallet excels for users who value asset diversity, advanced tools like staking, and complete control over their private keys. It's a particularly strong choice for those with diverse portfolios or those seeking passive income through staking. On the other hand, Luno Wallet is well suited for beginners and casual users who prioritize ease of use, a seamless exchange experience, and access to educational materials. If versatility and control are paramount, Guarda Wallet stands out. If a simplified, beginner-friendly environment is more your style, Luno Wallet might be the better fit. Explore both wallets using the links in the description and choose the one that best aligns with your individual needs.